William Gaynor. Show the ID. Hit you with two forms. Two forms. Just make sure you're right. All right. All right. So again, like I stated earlier, my name is William Gaynor, and this speech is just gonna be about the process of making film. The three main process. First one, as you see on the screen, is pre-production. Pre-production, in my opinion, is the most important process of filmmaking. Because first things first, you need an idea. Idea is like key. If you don't have an idea, film is nothing. You gotta come up with a concept, and this involves like brainstorming, probably with you or your friends, or by yourself. And then after you come up with an idea, this when it film process actually starts. So this when a budget starts to come up. Either it's gonna be an amateur film, budget might be free. It might not cost you anything. But at the end of the day, you're gonna have a budget for this. And then after you establish that, is the script. So you're gonna have to write your idea down. What you came up with by yourself, or you and your buddies should have to collaborate and come up with a story for this idea. And then after that, hopefully you're a good artist. You don't have to be. You can know somebody who is, storyboard is. So whatever you wrote down, you done bring it pictures to it. So you gotta be visual, because we are artists. And then after that, you gotta kind of get your locations down. And this goes with the script. So the script is basically, you got a heading, it's gonna tell you exterior or whatever, but basically you need your locations down. And then this when you start getting your actors, and they need to rehearse. Like, you're gonna do your casting, but also you need to rehearse what you wrote down in your script, because that's key. You don't want them to go in there just dry. You want to kind of see what your actors can bring to your story. Now it's a part that everybody knows, the production. So this when the cameras start rolling, you get the cameras out the boxes, you get the crew on set, they ready, you get the extras. Like, this is what everybody looks forward to. So like I said, the cameras are rolling. So this when you call the talent. So the cameras are rolling, and this doesn't mean like the talent is actually on set. Yeah, this probably like you setting up lighting, you getting your shots ready, how you want to film it. You kind of like going off the storyboard. And now you gotta light the scene. So either you're gonna use natural lighting, or you're gonna use like film light kits. But at the end of the day, you need to light your scene, and your talents that have to be on set while you lighting the scene. Now you got the action. Action just goes hand in hand with the talent on the scene, along with the lighting. Once your action start going, this is beautiful. And that's kind of like when you wrap it up too. Now we get into post-production. This one basically like all the footage, probably 20, 30 hours of footage, raw footage you got. You just get it to your editor, and they got to come up with something nice. And back in the olden days, yes, they had to go through like miles upon miles of like rolls of film and stuff in order to look for the good shot and cut it with scissors, working in a dark room. But now we got like editing software for that. And editing software just kind of eliminates that. And this process also when you come up with this trailer for your movie, so you can kind of get people excited about it. You need to advertise your movie. And then like while they making a trailer, you can also add special effects in, because nowadays everybody needs special effects. I'm sorry, the simplest thing they can do a special effect just for a location, but we need special effects. And then also we start recording sound. We record sound on set during the production phase, but we also record sound afterward, and that's just to get the film feeling right. Now, this is when like your payoff. You want that movie to sell, you gotta make a profit. So box office, that's why we here. Besides the love for the film, but we want this to sell. We want to connect to our target audience, either it's a children movie, or it's for adults. You want everybody to enjoy your movie. enjoy your baby. That's your baby. You came up with this from an idea. You worked it through all these processes. So that's it. Thank you.